Need an affordable and practical bike for everyday commuting? The Green Bike Jager Dune is ideal with its convenient frame and premium components found in higher-end e-bikes. Its 6061 aluminum frame can carry a maximum weight of 300 pounds. Its 350-watt brushless DC hub motor works well on roads, loose surfaces, and uphill or over bumps. The bike has a single charge range of 40 miles, so that you can use it all day. It has a 10.6 amp-hour power pack consisting of lithium-ion batteries made by Boston Power USA. It charges to complete in 4 to 5 hours, so you can charge the bike for an hour or two to extend its range. It is equipped for city biking and road adventures with parts such as a fork suspension, a wide saddle equipped with springs, and a 6-speed Shimano rear derailleur. It also has 20-inch rims and 2.5-inch wide tires for excellent grip and comfort, whether you bike on the road or go over bumpy or rocky surfaces. This folding bike has dual disc brakes on the front and rear wheels. The Green Bike Jager Dune features a thumb throttle and pedal assist, directed by a speed sensor inside the motor. The Jager Dune is an innovative and sporty electric bike that suits people living in enclosed urban areas and apartments, and is ideal for everyday urban commuting. Get yours now, and have it delivered right to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed with free shipping, and no sales tax outside Wyoming. Simply click on the link down in the description below, or you can contact us at 800-590-2738. Experience paradise at electricbikeparadise.com.